Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Texing. In the last video we talked about the definition of electricity. To understand the electricity briefly, it's very important to understand the atom. In this video we will talk about atom. Atom. An atom is defined as the smallest particle of a substance that can exist itself, or be combined with other atoms to form a molecule. All matter is made up of small indivisible and indestructible particles called atoms. Atoms of different elements combine together to form a compound. A chemical reaction is nothing but a rearrangement of these atoms. Atom cannot be created or destroyed by any means. An atom consists of nucleus, electrons. Nucleus. It is located at the center of an atom. The diameter of nucleus is about 1/10,000th of diameter of whole atom. Nucleus itself consists of two kinds of particles: protons, neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles. The number of protons in nucleus of an atom represent the atomic number of an atom. Neutron do not have any electrical charge. Means neutrons are electrically neutral. The mass of Newton is equal to mass of protons. So that is why the nucleus is positively charged, due to presence of positively charged protons. Electrons. An electron is negatively charged subatomic particle that can be either bound to an atom or free. Electrons are unique from protons and neutrons in multiple ways. Electrons exist outside of the nucleus and are smaller in mass from protons and neutrons. It is all about an atom. Thank you for watching this video and hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos about electrical.